Sometimes you know exactly what article or publication you're looking for, but you don't know which database it's in. The Journal Finder tool can help. To open the Journal Finder, go to the library homepage. Then, click on the Quick Links tab and click on the Journal Finder link under Research Tools. If you're looking for a magazine, newspaper, or journal, type in the title or ISSN number if you know it into the search box and click Search. I'm going to search for the Wall Street Journal. Look at the results and click on the title you're looking for. I'm interested in the first result. This screen tells us the name of the journal, what database collection it's in, and what years we have access to under coverage. We have access to the Wall Street Journal from 1984 to the present in 2 collections, Global Newsstream and the Wall Street Journal. Click on the title of the journal to go to the database. Then, search within that specific publication or browse specific issues. You can also look for specific articles using the Journal Finder if you have a citation for the article or some information about it. Start by clicking the Articles button to search for articles instead of journals. Then, fill in as much information as you can and click Search. I'm going to search for an article called Sustainability in First Year Programs. As you can see, I know the title, author, title of publication, date, volume and issue number, and page numbers. If we have access to the article, this page will tell you if we have online or print access, and if the access is online, which database includes it. Sometimes the article lives in more than one place, so there may be more than one view text link. Click on the View Text link to find the full text of the article. We are directed to the database the article lives in and can access the full text from here. Now you know how to use the Journal Finder. If you have questions, please stop by the reference desk or contact your library liaison. We're here to help. Happy searching!